Dr. Gilmore here. It is Sunday evening. I believe it's the 2nd of December. Hope you're having a great evening and getting ready for the busy week ahead. I had an interesting case that I've been working with a gentleman. We're going to call him Vinny, V-I-N-N-Y. And Vinny sent me an email. And this is what he said. He said, "Hi, John, sir." Obviously, he's not from this country. He's a bit more formal than we are here in the U.S. I saw your one video that was about Becca and her skin issue. She has red spots on her legs and hands, and I'm having the same problem. Let me start telling you from the beginning. When I was 17 years old, it came on my hands and legs only, and after 5 to 7 days later, it went away itself. It just comes for 5 to 7 days. Once it is gone, there's no certain periods or time when it will be back. Sometimes it takes 6 months and a year. But when I had a heart operation in March of 2017, I got 2 valves changed, so now I have 2 metallic valves. And to keep them working, I have to take blood thinner medication. Now, since October 2017 to now, I've been facing this disease and it does not go away. I consulted my heart doctor. He says there's no issue with the heart or valves, and this is a skin problem or skin issue. And they've taken all samples to cure this, but so far no one seems to know what's wrong with me. They've done my biopsy. I believe that's what he's trying to say here. I don't have any blood cancer, and my kidneys are also okay. I've seen your videos and come to know you're the real doctor who actually want to help people instead of sending the patients the wrong directions like other doctors. Well, thank you very much. I think all doctors, or most doctors, try to do the right thing. I am attaching some images with this email. I implore you to take a look and guide me if there's any cure for it or not. I'd be very grateful to you. This first image is taken when it came, and second was taken after 2 days. Same goes for legs. It comes on the legs, hands, and the butt. So let's close this. And let's open our first picture. And you can see looks like the left hand, the anterior aspect of the wrist, and those are, I would say, confluent purpura. My suspicion is they don't blanch with pressure. These are not petechiae. These are definitely purpura. And I don't see any excoriations. These don't appear to be causing itching. And that was one picture. And then here is the second picture, and I believe Vinny said this would be a couple of days later, and that's about it. So let's stop here and give you guys a chance to talk about what's going on with Mr. Vinny.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.